Hey everybody, this is Pastor Jay and I'm back with another of our Urban Insights. And this week I want to talk to you about two things that I believe are very important keys to working in this environment. And they have made all the difference in the world for me personally. And those two keys would be consistency and relationship. Consistency and relationship. So let's talk about it. Consistency is the first. You have to have it. If you don't have consistency in your life, you might as well pack up your bags and not even be here. Consistency means I'm going to be here day after day, week after week, month after month, sometimes year after year, and you can count on that. And understand that in this environment, there's been a lot of trust that's been broken. You have people dealing with abandonment issues. You have people who have been told one thing and what was acted out was something very different. So the only way I can battle against that is to be consistent. Time after time, you're going to see me here. Even when you don't talk to me. I had young folks wouldn't pay me no attention. 3, 4, 6 months go by and I talk to them and they'd ignore me. And I don't care. Try again next week. And finally it'd be a day where I'm not even thinking about them. And they come by, Pastor Jay, I got to tell you something. Wait, you know my name? Yeah, I know you. You know what, you're right. You do know me because I've been here every week. So I know you know me. You have those type of wins from a consistent standpoint, and that's what begins to open people's heart to the second key called relationship. Because I'm going to tell you something, and there's no good way to say it, so I'm just going to say it. There's a lot of cultures in the world that even if they absolutely hate you, they can take the information that you give and they can utilize it for their own benefit. They might not give you any credit at all, but they can take that and use it, and they don't mind working it in their favor. A lot of my people, I'll be honest with you, if we don't like you, we don't want nothing to do with you. We don't want your answer. We don't want your resources. We don't want your money. We don't want your help. We'll even be honest and say, you know what? He right. And what he's saying probably could help and probably will make a difference. But I don't like you. Like, it's that serious. So that relational side makes a world of difference because it's here that I start learning your name. I start learning about your family. I learn who you are as a person and what some of your desires are. And for you, this is the place where your heart starts to open and you start sharing some of your dreams and some of your fears, some of your desires, some of the things you would love to see for your future, some of the things that you even have as regrets that you wish you could change or do differently. And this is that place where in my mind, man, God begins making all the difference in the world because I'm now in this place of relationship able to start challenging you on things. I'm able to start talking to you and coming to you with ideas and resources and opportunities. I'm able to start telling you some stuff about yourself that maybe you wouldn't listen to if it came from anybody else. I'm able to start bringing some things to your mind that maybe you've never been challenged on ever before because you've never let someone get close enough to be able to have these type of conversations. So again, consistency and relationship. These are the foundations of true discipleship. If you want to see lasting, long-term change in a person's life, discipleship is where it's at, and that comes back to these two things, consistency and relationship. I hope this helps you out. Again, this is Pastor Jay with Plain English, and I want to thank you for tuning in, and I want to invite you to come back next week where we'll have another Urban Insight for you then. Take care.